Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Rola and we are going to create my birthday makeup look. So this year my theme of the makeup is more towards the purple lilac color. So I have this palette we are going to use, create some dramatic makeup look which I am so excited to create with you guys. And along with that we'll dress up, we'll take some pictures, and that's it. That's all. So my birthday is on 2nd July. You will be seeing this video on 1st July or ever again. Do wish me a birthday. I'll be really appreciating that. Thank you guys. Let's get started with the video. I am very excited to share my new tips, tricks, every single thing, and crazy to create something lovable, attractive makeup look. As if I'm wearing such a neutral color, so I feel like I should go for a neutral color makeup look too. But no, we are not playing little today. We are going for a hardcore glam up makeup. I'm done with this basic makeup look, guys. I have created 7 basic makeup look. You would be keep seeing it, which is pre-recorded, but trust me, we are coming with the colors and I am very excited to share with you that. Let's get started with the video, guys. So first we are going to do eyebrows. Just to start with the base. So first we'll do eyebrows. Before eyebrows, I'll apply this Laneige lip mask, sleeping lip mask, just to get a little bit of the softer lips, because we are going to do some crazy ombre lip today. I'm going to use this Maybelline eyebrow pencil first. I'm going to use this Revolution eyebrow wax just to give a little fixing my eyebrows. Next step is to start with the eye makeup. I am going to use my Maybelline Instant Rewind medium shade just to give a little carve my eyebrows. The shade name is medium. I am like medium to fair, not. So let's carve these guys. I'm using a flat brush for my concealer. Taking a beauty blender just to soft the line. So we are going to start with the eyes now, and for the first 2 palettes, I'm using 2 palettes for my eye look today. One is from Huda and one is a different one which I'll show you in a minute. In this we are going to take the neutral shade, which is this Karma. We need a Karma first, which would be the transition shade we are going to apply over the So the first shade is done. We are going for a little darker shade now, which is from this palette. Very excited to use these 2 palettes today. So we are going to use a little bit, I think I'll take this shade, which is A3, a good purple color. It's nice, it's dark, it's giving that pigmentation which is so much fun. We are going to use a little bit of this shade, which is C4. Taking over the brush, going around in the same way, just a little up on the edge. We are going to add a concealer in between the areas which we think need to be covered into the glitter, because I am going to add some shine to my eyes. It's my birthday. I want to look like a chocolate cake. No, birthday cake. As if it's going to be very little, so I just need a little only. I am going to take this shade Ultraviolet. Wow, I love the shade. It's so shiny. Should I show you how it looks in my hand? Is it visible even? You guys gonna see? How crazy is that shade? The shade is very similar to my outfit, guys. Now I am going to take my brush and just blend this thing together, sort of. I'm taking a little bit of the brown shade, which is a darker one, just to give a little edge shading over here. See how proper and beautiful it looks. Just now it's not complete. We have to put our eyeliner, which we'll do it right now. Eyeliner and the lashes, and then you see the eyes. It will be so amazing. Definitely we are going to add more colors to the things slowly. Right now I need a Kajal. I am using this Sugar Pop. Just to fill our waterline. So my waterline is done, which is so beautiful. I love a black good liner. So this is the eyes. We are going to add the lashes. I have this lashes, which is curvy. I like how the style is. I have no idea from where I got this one. I am so sorry, but I'll try to find the similar one and share with you guys. Putting the lash, I don't know which brand it's from. I have used one and kept in a different box. We'll do the second one now. Love it. Now take this lighter, the shade name is Supermoon. I'm just going to add a little bit over here. Okay, the eyes are almost done. We just need to have some colors in the bottom eyelid. We'll do that in some time. Oh my god, I'm tired of sitting. I need a water or something. Anyways, now we are going to create some base. Before we go, or anyone should go for a base thing, we should wipe everything, because there's always some fallout or something that might create problem, or it will like. I am going to use a shimmer base. So for my shimmer base, I am using this Swiss Beauty Pearl. It's a golden pink. Just going to take a little bit over here. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Going to mix this with a foundation, a Forever I'll take this foundation brush, mix this, apply on my face. The foundation which we are using, it's from Forever 21, and I want to have a thick layer of everything on my face as it is. Using this yellow beauty blender, I'm just going to put this product in. Blending is the key, guys. We are going to layer the foundation, so it's okay if you think this product is not a proper shade for you. We are going to use a second layer of foundation, which is from Pilgrim. It's a dreamy matte serum foundation. It's a vegan-free foundation, guys. If you are like a cutie-free, vegan-free, they have so many things. I'll put a link of those people. Amazing foundation, guys. It doesn't separate things, which is really good. And it's very reasonable too. I'm just going to place it first and then blend. Now once this thing would be settled, we need to wait, and until that we are going for next step, that is concealer. For the concealer we are taking this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. We are going to use this tiny beauty blender to blend this. If your beauty blender ever go for your eyeshadow area, just take a brush and lightly just go over, it will fix it. Now we are going for the next step. Very excited about that. So contour. We are using LA Girl Pro concealer for this, and the shade name is Espresso. Create some good job. Something over here and something over here. I'm going to use the same beauty blender to blend this thing. Okay, the makeup powder I'm using, it's from Inside. They have a great baking powder. Somewhere here. Still that it get baked, we are going to use so I have this Wonder Beauty Trip for Two, which has a blush and a bronzer. We are going to use the bronzer from this. Oh, this is a good shade. It's going to be fun. Now we are going to use a blush. I think I'll use the same blush. Before that, I am going to use a liquid blush from She Glam. It's a beautiful blush, guys. Okay, now we are going to use a powder brush, which is from the same palette which we used earlier. I'm going to use this shade. Take a little nicely. from inner to outer. I'm taking a new brush to start applying the first color, that is this one, which is so dark. Oh my god, for lower lid it will be difficult. I am like making my eye up so that there is no fallout. We did the thanks, sir. This is good. Huda palette. We are going to take the shade Balance Off, which is very close to the other two shades but in the lighter color, so we can like create a diffusing look. We're going to take the mascara, and this one is from Lancome. You know, the best mascara in this entire world, which I had used, is this one. I'm just going to look down and do the thing. And the eyes are done now. Now the next step for the makeup is to apply a lipstick, so let's do that now. We are going to use this lip liner, and once it's done, we are going to use the shade from MAC Cushion. We are going to use this lipstick from Revolution. So good. I am always in love with this lipstick for sure. It's a matte color. So till that my lipstick dries and everything settles, we are going to use a fix. Makeup to fix. I am using these two shades. The first one is we are going to use Face Canada. Now I'm using this one, which is from DIOR. Now we are going to add the most important step for my birthday look, is definitely a highlighter. This one is from Typsy Beauty, and we are going to add so much highlighter. I love a good highlighter, guys. A beautiful makeup with a lot of highlighter. That's the key for our look today. Something over the nose, something here. Look at this. I love this. This is a really good highlighter. I think so. That's the look. Let's change the outfit and see how it looks together. So scared now. I love this makeup look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you next time. Till that, you enjoy my little close-up montage shot.